Welcome to Love Life. Passive income can be a great way to supplement your earnings and build wealth over time. While many passive income streams require some initial effort and investment, they can provide ongoing income with minimal ongoing work. Here are 10 passive income ideas you can consider starting. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These investments pay you a portion of their earnings regularly, typically on a quarterly basis. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate through crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. You can invest in properties and receive rental income and potential appreciation. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend your money on peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper and earn interest on the loans you provide. Create an online course or ebook. Share your expertise on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once created, you can earn royalties whenever someone purchases your course or ebook. Rent out your property. If you have extra space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. You can also rent out parking spaces or storage areas. Dividend-paying ETFs. Invest in dividend-focused ETFs, which provide diversification and potentially higher yields than individual stocks. High-yield savings accounts or CDs. Park your money in high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, to earn interest with minimal risk. License your photography or artwork. If you're a photographer or artist, license your work through stock photography or art platforms like Shutterstock or Etsy. Automated dropshipping. Set up an e-commerce store with dropshipping products. Once established, most of the work can be automated, and you earn a commission on each sale. Create a mobile app. If you have programming skills, create a mobile app and generate income through in-app purchases, ads, or premium versions. Remember that passive income often requires some upfront investment, whether it's time, money, or expertise. Additionally, it's essential to conduct thorough research and possibly seek professional advice before embarking on any passive income venture to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance.